Good afternoon to one and all present over here. Today, we are going to perform a GD on the topic Impact of Social Networking Sites. Social networking websites provide a platform where people can share their ideas and experiences. It provides an opportunity for the people around the world to connect and be a part of an international community where everyone's voice can be heard. While there seems to be positive benefits that come out of social media, those positives are the negatives that make social networking websites corrosive to the real community. The idea of creating your own persona is with what makes the online world different than the real world. You can choose to be and create their fantasy world in books. Social media allows people to create their own fantasy world where they find a sense of happiness and acceptance. It is human nature to feel better when they are praised or appreciated. This sooner or later becomes an addiction, and people get falsely motivated to do things in seek of other people's approval.
Along with its positive impact, there are also negative impacts. Social networking sites put pressure on its users to exhibit their lives as happier and different than theirs. There is also pressure to look more fit and more beautiful. Though it's good to some extent, it's causing unbearable stress among the youth. These sites are also distracting and harmful in nature. Students are getting addicted to social media, leaving their studies behind, which ultimately have a negative impact on their future.
I agree with Saloni's point of view, but I think that social media has made easier for us to connect with family, acquaintances, friends, and business people. Moreover, we see that there are many top companies that approach candidates directly with the help of social media. For example, LinkedIn and all. So it has made our life easier. Uh, whole world has come closer due to social media. So there are some negative impacts, but though positive impacts are also there, it totally depends on us how we use the social media.
As Jiten said, we have a positive impact and negative impact on social media nowadays. But looking to the positive impact, recently one of YouTuber on a social media platform who uh, uh, people were not knowing the Baba Kadhava as they were running a sort of money during this pandemic time, and that YouTuber helps them out to get the more uh, fame to that dhaba so that people reach over there and they would earn more money from that. So these are some of the positive impact we can see of using social media. But as we are talking about any point like a positive impact that comes with a negative impact too. So it has a negative impact like people gets addicted and at the some point of their life they leave their family and used to stay alone, used to spend more and more time over there on social media platform, which is not good for them and for their family. So they need to keep all those things stable. And so far we can say there has some negative and positive impact too, but it depends on you how you use it and how you use it in a good manner or uh, in a positive, which will give you a positive impact on your future and your career. So yeah.
So, as that it has a positive and a negative impact, but cyberbullying and threats from strangers have increased. Anonymity can ruin lives sometimes. People write hate and offensive comment without revealing their true identity. So, like, this is really a bad impact on our lives.
Media, as knowledgeable or impressive it is, has side effects going far ends. As we start getting acquainted to it, it slowly starts pulling us deeper into it. We don't even understand when it becomes an addiction. Many researchers have analyzed behavior of the people who are highly addicted to the social networking sites. Many people portray an unreal or fake personality just for the desire to be liked. No good thing comes without bearing consequences. Most sites used to have an age limitations earlier, but now with that being gone, your youngsters are getting indulged in surfing at an increasing rate. And due to their immature age, they usually fall prey to cyberbullying. Lack of privacy on the social sites has turned out to be the most threatening thing. Most of the young generation is unaware of the policies and end up uploading personal information on social sites.
Said, I somewhat agree to her point that cyberbullying is a big crime, and but at the same time, it totally depends on the user's hand. If we are aware and we have and if we have prior knowledge that what are the steps the cyber crime in which way the cyber crime takes place, so we can avoid it. And also, I would like to add that it has a good positive impact on an individual's behavior. If someone is not able to speak, if for example, if he's an introvert, so the social media networking sites are a good platform to express themselves so that they might turn a new leaf and slowly they might come out of the shell and they can speak about themselves and help others. So yeah, I would like to say that it both it has both negative and positive impact, but it finally depends on ourselves at what path we choose.
हाँ बोल.
According to Rupesh, as Rupesh said, according to him, I'm totally agree with him. According to my point of view, social media is the best platform for contacting people on various places. Social media having both merits and demerits. As we use, the merits of social media are sharing information across the globe, the best platform to connect people, increase relationship, and improve our enhancing knowledge. But there are many demerits also. There are many frauds are being done, too much addiction and eye disorder. Fake gossip is also being done. So the social media impact is totally depending on upon us. If we use the social media properly, it's up to us how we use it.
I totally agree with what Ankit Dubey said. Every point has some positive impact as well as some negative impact. But few important and effective positive impact of social media are we can easily connect with our friends, our relationship, our relatives who are far away from us, like out of India or somewhere. We can use Google Meet to connect with the people, and we can use some video call app to connect with our relative, with our member, with our friend, and share our ideas, view on particular topic. And nowadays, business opportunities also taking place via the social media, and it is creating very positive impact on us. But with respect to the positive, there are some negative impact of social media, which are like many users are creating fake accounts and profile on social media, and bullying and cyberbullying are happening. And it totally depends upon us, the path we choose. But if we are creating, many users are creating negativity on social media, due to which many people are getting addicted to social media, and doing various crime like suicide and all. So finally, it totally depends upon us how we take it.
So as Ankit said, social networking site is imbibed in our lives so much that this generation cannot imagine their life without Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter. Some youths are also attracted to risky trend like selfies at dangerous places, which is completely has a negative impact on our lives.
Nowadays, the real world is real and the real world is the real. So, children are addicted to social media so much that they don't know the difference between the real and the real world. Hence, social media has both advantages and disadvantages, but it depends on us how we use it.
So adding to Ramesa's point, I would say that education has become very convenient with the help of social media, which is a positive impact of social media. Students can easily share important data for classwork or assignments or other activities as well. It is also effective for gathering information to prepare project reports, educational and for educational purposes. Teachers find it easy to keep their students updated with the class and exam schedules too. Social sites like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, etc. save the effort of doing the whole employment process by traditional methods. It gives opportunities to candidates who are seeking for particular job profile. Employees as well as employers can search for jobs or people of their choice to work for or work with. The fastest way to advertise anything is to upload it on social sites. Social media is faster in conveying the news or information than any other media. So also government sites as well as private sites are available for filing documents, etc.
So, guys, let's arrive at consensus. We cannot disagree with the fact that social networking site made our life much easier than before. Though there is some negative impact, we can mitigate it with improved awareness. We should utilize our social networking sites and should not let it control our lives. Thank you.